Hello everybody and welcome back to Amazing Tech for All. Today we'll be looking at deploying a image management software that is self-hosted called Immich. This will manage your pictures that you can take from your phone. It can back up all your photographs similar to what Google Photos would do, and will also do geolocation so you can find where a photograph was taken on a map, and you'll be able also to do facial recognition. And with facial recognition you'll be able to click on a face and it will show the person or the face in every photograph where they appear. Now we may not be able to cover all these features, but I will go through the deployment process. Okay, so now let's log into TrueNAS with your TrueNAS username. Usually it is the TrueNAS admin user. Let me just log in here and it will take me to my dashboard. So from here we will deploy a dataset and we will deploy the application. So once you've logged in, we'll go to datasets. Here we will create a set of the dataset where Immich will store all its files. Let's go. Let's click on add dataset, and here we will name it Immich. Click on, I think, let's say it is generic. Now we'll keep it at apps. Save. And inside here we will also add another dataset. Here we will call it uploads. Also make it apps. And okay, and go to ACL manager. Yeah, that's fine. We'll have to search for apps over here. Just let me find that. Once we have it, there we go. And I think this group will be apps as well. It's so easy to scroll past these little things. Let me just type in apps. There we go. Yes, and then let's see, does it permissions advanced? We must have full permissions over here. Let's just do it like that. That should be okay. And then save access list. Yes. Okay, so now we have uploads over there, and we will add an additional one. We click back on Immich and we'll go to add dataset, and here we will go database. This will be for your Postgres database that you're going to be running. We'll do that. Then we'll go to access this again, and here we're just going to say apps one more time. Select that. You owner also apps, and that we should be able to apply those rules. Right, now that we've got the data sets, we can go to apps. Right, now we'll have to go to click on discover apps and look for Immich, M-I-M-M. Here we go, I-C-H. There we go. So if I click on install, it will give me some of the things that I need to assign. So the time zone, that is useful because it will help you identify your time when you're uploading, and a variety of other useful features. I'll select mine, which happens to be in Johannesburg. My database is a Postgres database, yes, and I'm going to scroll down. I have to give a database password. I'll just do that simple. Since this is just a test environment, I'll do that as well. Same for the Redis one. Now the storage is obviously going to be the difficult part, so here we'll select host path, and this is for storage, right? This is where the uploads are going to happen. Enable ACLs there. I'm going to do that. Select MNT. It'll be Immich and uploads. That's for the upload section. Now let's go to this machine learning section. This I will leave as temporary, and then for the database, which is here, I will select host path and select for, so it will be Immich and it will be database. Then I'll say automate selection. I think enable ACLs as well, I think, yes, and then scroll down to we do not have something. No, I think it's this over here actually. Let me disable for now. Storage configuration is wrong, and there we go. Yeah, so now we can enable NVIDIA GPUs if you have one, but I'm not doing that. Let's go to install. So usually it will download the images, but I've tested this before, so I probably have the images in my repository already. So it's pulling it, and then it'll start installing the image application. Okay, let's get back to you when this completes. Okay, and there you go. You can see the application is up and running, and now we will look at the application by clicking on the web UI. There we go. Get started. So I'll just put the admin email here. I'll just give it a simple password. Sign up. Let's see. Admin at example. And there we will go. Welcome to Immich. Let's click on the theme. I prefer the dark theme. The language, we'll stick to English for now, as I'm not good at any of the others. And user privacy, storage templates, etc. So yeah, I'm sticking to defaults. And there is a mobile app that you can install on your phone that will sync easily with this. So assuming that you have a public facing, or you can do it internal into your network. So when you're on your LAN, then you can speak to this device. Right, so done. And there we go. You now have a working instance of Immich running. So shall we load up some photographs? Let's take a look. Okay, to upload photographs, you can go through the upload, and within a few seconds, there we go, you're uploading a variety of photographs. So you can look at these, you can create a slideshow with them, and when the processing is completed, you will see under Explore, you will see it'll start showing pictures of the people that's in the photographs, or maps and where the photographs were taken. So you will see where these were. Some were taken in Singapore, and others were taken in the southern tip of Africa, South Africa. But this is a short video on how to use or to deploy Immich on TrueNAS. Truly an amazing software. It's got a lot going for it, and like I said before, it can be used as a backup tool instead of using photos, Google Photos or Amazon's Photos. It'll back up your photographs and your videos from your cell phone. This makes for a very, very good replacement, since you are in full control of your software, of your photographs, and you know exactly where they are. You can also make it shareable, and if you create new users, you are then able to create a place for them to store. So in my case, I get my family members to all store theirs through Immich onto the local, and you don't have to extend your payments on Google to extend your storage on a monthly basis. So there you go. Please like and subscribe this video. It is very, very useful to grow my channel, and hopefully soon we'll be doing a lot more interesting things.